Red Cross team, if you can stand wherever you are.
Kiehana ihoru nicio ikuyuire mothiu-ini ma family o undu umwe na aikari aria endwa ao mahutirio mutino-ini wa barabara muthia-ini wa kiumia kihituku mwena wa Londiani kaunti-ini ya Kericho, mutino uria wacungiriirie ikuo cia andu 52 thutha wa lori imwe gutemwerekera. Igongona ria mahoya ma hamwe makuririkana aria makwiriire mutino-ini ucio ritabaneirio kiharo-ini kia Londiani rigitongorio ni munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua, mwaria thutha wa mwaria akihinyiriria matereba gukorwo na uigiririki barabara-ini niguo gwithema mitino iria ingirigiririka.
And he was going to look for kutafutia watoto.
Thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ukuui yugite mawatho marumu ni megukorwo makigathikwo barabara-ini kuria ngari ciothe cia ukui wa muingi undu umwe na ngari cia thukuru ciathitwo gukorwo ikigathikwo mitambo ya kamera iria gukorwo igiteithiriria ruhonge rwa NTSA guthurima na gukurana uigiririki wa matereba barabara-ini.
Vehicle telematics, Your Excellency, will have GPS system showing where a vehicle will be at any particular time. It will have a black box recorder that will be transmitting the speed of every vehicle at any given time. It will show the location of that vehicle. It will show when and who maintained the vehicle, and it will show where the vehicle was serviced and who serviced the vehicle.
Andu 14 nio mathiete na mbere na kwamukira urigiti thibitari-ini wa Kericho ndumwe na thibitari wa Nakuru PGH, thirikari ikiranira uteithio wayo kuri family iria andu ao mahutirio ni mutino uyu. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kericho na ya Nakuru kuri andu aya mararigitirwo ni cieheretie marihi ma thibitari o undu umwe na ma mochari.
Wasaidiwa watoto wao wasome, kwa sababu huyo ndugu yangu alikuwa ameenda kutafuta lishe ya watoto wake.
Our regional commissioner is here. Atakaa na familia muone pahali iko gap, ndio na sisi tukuja tujaze tuwasaidie.
Hamwe noguo munini wa president ni arutite mukana kuri maafitha a ugitiri barabara-ini aria makoretwo makioya mahaki na gwitikiria ngari itakinyanirie ikiro cia gukorwo barabara-ini guthie na mbere na mihango yao. Riu makiurio kugia na uigiririki niguo gwithema mitino ta ino.
Soon, in the next 2 weeks, the President will meet all the regional and security committees to discuss with them the concerns of the people of Kenya among what you are saying on the roadblocks.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.